What's up guys, and welcome back JDM fam. We are actually installing a mod on the Type R today. We're going to be installing some MUGEN door handle protectors. They're going to fit right in here, and I do have a protector in there already, but I think it's going to look a lot better with a black MUGEN protector in there. It's going to look really good. So as you can see, the Type R is mostly boost blue and black, so they're going to really go along with the theme of the car. I have blacked out side markers. Obviously this eyebrow up here and the grille are black, the splitters are black, mirrors are carbon fiber, and the vents as well, and the wing. So it's going to look really good with another piece that will basically contrast against the boost blue, and we're going to install them today. I'll show you guys what they look like and everything right now. So basically I have to wash my car still. It doesn't look that dirty, but I do want to make sure that my Type R is completely clean when I install these. So here they are right here, guys. These, I actually have two sets. They only come two in a pack. These were about $30 each, straight from Japan. I did buy these on Amazon, but they were shipped from Japan. So these are a super easy and cheap mod you could do to your car. As you can see, it says MUGEN right there. Super easy, super cheap. So I'm definitely excited to install those, but I've been waiting for a little while, and I definitely need to wash my car first. It is pretty dusty, so I'm going to wash it really quick, then we'll start installing. Alright, so I'm done washing the car. Sun is starting to go down, but that's okay because we still have some light out here. I'm probably going to wax the car as well. Also, I want to wax the gurney flap up here. For you guys, that was probably like 30 seconds. For me, that was maybe 30 or 40 minutes washing my car. It's okay, it's all completely washed. I am trying to take my time, make sure the door handles are completely dry. But this is what they look like. This is what the door handle protectors look like outside of the package. And this is with a clear plastic layer on top, and they still look really good. So we're about to install these right now, guys. I'm gonna go over there, make sure the door handles are completely dry. We're gonna start putting these on right now. So this is what it looks like. It looks really good. It follows the lines almost perfect. With projects like this, I am really OCD. It has to be perfect. So I did basically lift these up every time. I would barely put it down or put it down pretty well and then end up pulling it back up and redoing it. But I think it came out great, guys. Now, if you guys end up doing this, you definitely want to make sure you don't press it down all the way until you're ready. Definitely recommend it. It was super cheap. I think it was like $30 each set, so came out to like 65 bucks for all of these from Amazon, straight from Japan. I will link this product in the description. Let me know what you guys think about these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.